Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this week's video I'm going to be trying to connect up my DVD player from the back of the van to my Kenwood DMX125DAB head unit. For this job I've got this HDMI to AV converter. It takes the HDMI input there and it converts it to an RCA output, an audio visual output. We'll give this a go. It requires this USB cable here, so I'm probably going to mount that at the front of the van. Been looking at getting a lightning connector to HDMI for the iPhone so that I could plug in my iPhone and then stream things onto this screen. I got this little unit off of Amazon. I'll put a link to this in the description below if you want to get one, and it comes with the USB power cable as well, which is quite handy. I've also got a really long HDMI lead there and an RCA to RCA cable. Just take the fascia off, put that there. Okay, let's put that down there for now. So if we have a look at the back of the stereo, this is for my reversing camera video input. On the left here we've got AV in, we've got our left and right for the sound, and the yellow is for the video. So I can plug my RCA cable into this AV input. So plug that one in. I'm gonna have to video in. It's also got a video out there as well, so that's quite interesting. So you must be able to connect up another monitor from this one perhaps. This is the parking switch wire, and I think this is what stops you from watching the videos when the vehicle's in motion. It will only allow you to watch your videos when the handbrake is on. But I think you can override that by connecting this to ground, so I'll be trying that in a moment. Let's tuck this away. With that back in there for now, I'm just going to take my RCA connectors and put them through this tray. Now I'm going to take this little converter and I'm going to plug in my RCA connector, the power cable, and then that will plug into my USB from the stereo, and that can all be tucked into there for now. I can pull through the excess wires behind the dash afterwards. Let's just see if this works first. Now I'm going to take my HDMI lead and that will plug into there. Let's take this HDMI cable through to the back. And plug it in to the DVD player. Right, at the moment it says parking off, so we need to take this parking switch and connect it to ground, and that will override the parking switch so that we can watch our films no matter what. So here I have a relay and it's got an earth on it here. I was just going to use this for a light bar, which I haven't got around to getting yet, but let's trim that down, cut that off. Twist these up together, new crimp. Right, I just found my earth from the back of the relay there, but you could find any bolt which is connected to the chassis, that will be good enough, or the negative cable on the back of the stereo will be fine. And there we go. We've got playback. Not bad. It's not full screen though. I don't know what this switch does. Not much. It works either way. What happens if I unplug this? Ooh, it doesn't work. It has to be powered up then. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's fine. You don't have any control of it here, because that's done from the DVD player in the back. That's working, but this HDMI cable is a bit long, so I'm going to order another one, one that can just run up through the cupboard and down to the DVD player. Right, I've just plugged the Fire Stick in. Let's see if that's got a better aspect. I managed to connect this Fire Stick to my phone's Wi-Fi, so let's see if yeah, look, that works full screen. That's ideal. So this is just running off my phone's internet at the moment. As long as you've got plenty of data, it should be alright. I'm not sure how it will be when you're driving, playing a film. Oh, I like that film. Cool. So I can put this fascia back, make it look nice. I'm going to take a spin out now and see how this works out on the road. See if it holds its internet connection. And if it does, then I might not even bother with a HDMI lead through to the DVD player, because I could just stream it from my phone. Place for the remote.
When we heard this, we felt really sorry for her. We're nurses, we help people.
Cool.
So...
Yep. So, what are you guys? I mean, what do people call you?
It's obviously not advised to be watching films while you're driving. It's a distraction from the road and it's dangerous. Some would argue that so is a sat-nav, so I'll leave that one up to you to decide. Do this at your own risk. I wouldn't want any of you having an accident. I'm personally not going to be watching films while driving, but my passenger might want to, so you know, I could put a film on for them and just have it in the background. It makes a change from the radio, as the radio can be a bit boring sometimes. So if you click on settings, you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, the colour and the brightness. So there we go. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you found this video useful and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you click that little alarm bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. I've got loads of videos on the channel now, so feel free to check them out. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, take care.